In 100 lifetimes, I choose you. In 100 worlds, I'll find you. And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do.
Nasa kasal ka? Opo. Manong Glenn. Kasalang bayan dito sa Nagtipunan. Kuya Glenn, sabi ni Sir, ay sis Neng Lord. Ayan, maraming salamat. 22 million in the house. Maraming salamat. First dance.
This is more than just our wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains, we will live on our knees.
Shout out. Adding Neng Lord from Kuya Glenn.
In 100 lifetimes, he chose us.
Ayan, yung mga ninong and ninang at sa mga may gustong magsakit na kanilang mga regalo sa akin sa mga events ay pwede na po ngayon.
Sir Gallery, PST, thank you so much. Wala akong partner, Kuya Glenn.
Thank you very much. You may now take your seats. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, we are honored to have with us a distinguished guest who plays a vital role in upholding the significance of marriage, family, and statistics in our province. She is a dedicated leader and public servant, serving as the Chief Statistical Specialist of the Philippine Statistics Authority, Quirino Provincial Office. Through her expertise,
I'm May.
she has contributed
Nice to meet
to the collection
Nice to
and
meet you,
analysis
May.
of vital statistics, which help shape policies that support families and communities. Today, she joins us at this momentous celebration to share words of wisdom and an inspirational message not only